Hi guys, this is Pankaj. Welcome to this video. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, we'll do unboxing and first impression of Samsung Galaxy A72. Samsung recently launched A52 and A72 only 4G variant in India. I have purchased A72 from Samsung.com around 30,200 including 3,000 HDFC Bank discount. So this is not paid or promotional video. So let's do unboxing and see what is inside the box. So inside this box, yeah, we see there is mobile for A72 mobile, and I'll keep this here. This comes with 25 watt fast charging adapter. So I'll also keep this aside. Along with this, we get Type C USB cable for fast charging. So we keep this aside. And then we have SIM ejector pin or tool, you can say. And there are some user manuals inside this. So I'll just keep this aside. This is awesome wallet color, and you will have three more options, that is awesome white, awesome blue, and awesome black. So I'll just remove this plastic cover from here. So that's it. Let's talk about back panel. So which is this black panel is polycarbonate matte finish material, and this mobile basically comes with IP67 rated for water and dust resistance. This phone stands up to 1 meter of water for up to 30 minutes. Then let's talk about the camera setup on this mobile. So basically it has a micro camera, that is 5 megapixel camera. Then it has 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, then 64 megapixel OIS main camera, then it has got 8 megapixel OIS telephoto camera. So, and along with this, it has 3x optical zoom and 30x space zoom including digital zoom. And what is OIS, right? So OIS is optical image stabilization, which helps stabilize shoots and keeps motion smooth and crisp even when it's low light, right? So you can take good pictures even if there is low light. Then coming to the front camera, so it is 32 megapixel high resolution, and you can capture selfie with bokeh effect, means it blurs the background. So let's look at some sample photos and videos which I have taken from this phone. Hi guys, so I already set up this phone, and then let's see what are the buttons are there on this phone. So this is power on off button, then it has got volume up and down button. Apart from this, it doesn't have any other button. Then on the bottom side it has speakers, then Type C USB connector, then microphone, and then 3.5 mm audio jack. And on the top it has got SIM tray. So we can just open this SIM and see how it is. So this has got a hybrid SIM tray, so you can put one SIM and one memory card or two SIMs. So I'll just close this now. As of now I have not put any SIM card here, so I'll just put this. So I already configured this phone for fingerprint scanner, so I'll just use this. So yeah, this is also good. Then now let's talk about the display. So it has 90 Hz refresh rate and Super AMOLED display with 6.7 Infinity O display. the full HD plus Super AMOLED display hits 800 nits. Okay, and then it comes with Eye Comfort Shield, which lowers the blue light. Then A72 powered with a 5000 mAh battery and 25-watt super fast charging adapter. Then about the performance, it has Snapdragon 720G processor and 8 GB RAM. For storage, there are two options. One is 128 GB and 256 GB, and it supports up to 1 TB external memory. So this phone is 128 GB internal memory. Then about the security, it comes with Snapson Knox, which protects this phone from malware and malicious threat. It has on-screen fingerprint sensor, so which we already saw, and this works good as well. Then finally, it has two speakers, one on the top and one on the bottom. Which this you can get audio experience, stereo audio experience basically. And yeah, so that's it about this phone. And then do subscribe to our channel and hit like button. Please write in comment what you think about this handset. Goodbye and have a nice day.